Hello everyone, my name is Rohit Kumar. I'm going to presenting my presentation about develop a schedule of quantities selected to trace appropriate software cost action. First is table of content in introduction of opening post text and navigation and creating a new building and measurement and quantification of using post text and insert quantities to workbook and prepare a schedule of quantities and estimate the schedule of quantities and presentation and documentation and last is calculation and references. Introduction in construction and project management, a schedule of quantities is a critical document that itemizes, quantifies material, labor, and tasks required for a specific trade or project. Of it serves as a standardized reference for cost estimation, tendering, and contract administration. With advancements in technology, specialized software is now widely used to automate and streamline the preparation of schedule of quantities. Okay. Second, project monitoring and cost estimation. Cost estimation is a process of forecasting the financial resources required to complete a project. It includes calculating the material cost, labor, and timeline. And second is project control. Project control involves monitoring and managing a project scope, cost, and schedule to ensure successfully complete the project. Third is accuracy and transparency. Accuracy refers to the precision and correctness of data, calculations, and processes in project management. In cost estimation and control, higher accuracy leads to better decision, and transparency involves open communication, clear reporting, and accounting in code. And fourth is risk reduction. Risk reduction involves identify potential project risk and their impact. This is the critical in cost estimation. Purpose and importance of a schedule of quantities provide in a detailed breakdown, structure and ensure cost accuracy, enhance project transparency and helps progress tracking in project and software and developing schedule of quantities. Modern software and Autodesk quantities takeoff and COSTEX facility and Plan Swift and Bluebeam Revit. COSTEX. COSTEX is a powerful construction estimating and quantity takeoff software developed by RIT Software. It is widely used by quantity surveyors, estimators, and construction professionals in construction industry and streamline the process of measuring and costing and monitoring project estimates in 2D and 3D drawings. Next. Opening COSTEX and navigating and creating a new building. First, launch COSTEX and open COSTEX from your desktop and start menu login required and create a new building project and new building and then choose the appropriate measurement unit. Insert new building and then choose the building and after you choose the page numbers and calibrate insert new building. Next is measurement and quantification by using COSTEX. Pilework. Pilework refer to the construction of deep foundation using piles which transfer building loads to deeper, more stable soil layer in COSTEX. You can measure and quantify pilework using 2D takeoff tools for drawing or extract data from 3D beam models for accurate estimation of cost. Gross floor area. Gross floor area is the total area inside a building, including all enclosed spaces measured to the outer edge of the wall. It is a key metric of cost estimation, design, planning, and regulatory compliance as per the drawing. And next is floor finishes. A floor finish is a final layer of treatment applied to a floor surface to enhance its durability, aesthetics, and functionality. It serves as a protective and decorative layer over the base of flooring structure, and floor finishes can be made of various material including wood, tile, and carpet. Prepare SOQ by using COSTEX. Prepare a schedule of quantities using COSTEX. Start by importing project drawings, AutoCAD, and setting the correct scale. Use smart measurement method and tools for digital takeoff of and structures. Link measured quantities to a cost database for a precise cost estimation. Generate the SOQ using COSTEX reporting features, customizing it with item descriptions and quantities review, cross-checking against project specifications. Finally, export the SOQ in Excel, PDF, Word format and ensure completeness and correctness before submission. This process streamlines cost estimation and improves project efficiency. And preparing cost estimation by using COSTEX. To prepare COSTEX using COSTEX. And next, these are the insert quantities to work and pile work. Supply in installing 1000 diameter precast piles and setting up the piling and fabricating or preparing. Supply handling and pitching of pile. Length of pile and driven pile length 1000 diameter. Conclusion. Previous. To prepare a schedule of quantities using COSTEX, start by importing and project drawing, AutoCAD and PDF and setting the correct scale. Use smart measurement method and tools for digital takeoff. Ensure accurate categorization of elements like walls, floors and structures. Link measured quantities to a cost database for precise and COSTEX reporting features. Customizing it with them item descriptions, units and quantities. Review for accuracy, cost checking and cross checking against the project specification. Finally, export the schedule of quantities and in Excel and PDF Word format. Ensure completeness and correctness before submission. This process streamlines cost estimation and improve project efficiency of the as per the cost of construction. To prepare a cost estimate, preparation of cost effective estimate by using COSTEX. To prepare a cost estimate using COSTEX by creating by importing project drawing and setting the correct scale. Using digital takeoff tools to measure quantities of construction element. Categorizing them accurately. Link these quantities to a cost database or precise price library to generate an itemized estimate. Adjust rates based on market condition and market rates as per the market and generate detailed reports including elemental cost breakdowns and summaries. Review and validate the estimate before exploring in Excel, PDF and Word format for client submission for further analysis. Insert quantities to workbook and pile work. Supply and installing 1000 diameter precast pile and driven into bedrock as specified to the details in geotechnical report, including setting out and offsite fabricating and transporting, handling, storing and pitching as of engineer approval and complete with all of the related builder work as necessary and setting up. And these are the calculations which are doing in this RI. Conclusion. Developing a schedule of quantities in COSTEX ensure accurate, efficient and transparent COSTEX estimation for selected trades by leveraging 3D takeoff tools, 3D beam integration and automated quantity extraction. COSTEX simplifies the measurement and pricing process. Key takeaway: accuracy, efficiency, transparency and flexibility. Using COSTEX for schedule of quantities, developing enhances project control, reduce risk and improves budgeting accuracy and making it a valuable tool for quantify surveyors and estimators. These are the references of this. presentation.
Okay, thank you, Rohit. Nice presentation.
Thank you.
Right. I have two questions to you. What is SOQ?
SOQ stands for schedule of quantities.
What are the
Schedule.
traders including that?
Traders are piling, floor finishes, door, window, and facades, and
Facades, yes.
yeah,
How we measure facades? Which unit?
in meter scale.
Meter square. How we measure the pile work?
In pile work,
Yes.
in meter.
In meter pile, don't pile it.
Yeah.
How we insert after insert the drawing to the cost text?
After inserting the
Explain
drawing,
what you have to do.
we have to calibrate drawing after
First you have to check the
according
scale
to
is
the
correct or not,
scales,
then you have to
and
calibrate.
yes, according to flexible waves, then measure all of the data.
Okay, good. How we measure the GFA?
Ground
How we measure GFA? What is GFA first?
gross floor area
How we measure it?
in meter scale.
Meter square. How we measure it in the building?
We have to measure according to the drawing as per the calculation and
Can you explain more?
floor finish.
We have to measure the all floor area.
Yeah.
in the building. Yes, and exclusion also there.
Yes, sir.
Why is that? Yes. Okay, fine. Okay, thank you very much. See you around
Thank you,
the
sir.